Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pennywort juice. First, gather about 200 grams of fresh pennywort leaves. It's crucial to clean them properly. Rinse the leaves thoroughly under cool, running water to remove any dirt or debris. Carefully inspect each leaf, discarding any that appear yellowed, wilted, or damaged. This ensures a fresh and vibrant juice. Next, place your cleaned pennywort leaves into a blender. Add about 250 milliliters of filtered water. Blend on high speed until the mixture is completely smooth and there are no large pieces of leaf remaining. Once blended, pour the liquid through a fine mesh sieve or a cheesecloth-lined strainer into a clean bowl. Press down on the solids to extract all the juice. Now it's time to sweeten your juice. You can add 1 to 2 tablespoons of sugar, honey, or your preferred sweetener. Adjust the amount to your liking for a perfect balance. Stir the juice thoroughly until the sweetener has completely dissolved. For the best experience, serve your fresh pennywort juice immediately over ice. It's a refreshing and healthy drink. Pennywort juice is not only delicious, but also packed with potential health benefits, making it a wonderful addition to your diet. It's often enjoyed for its refreshing and cooling properties, especially in warmer climates. We hope you enjoy making and drinking this simple, nutritious beverage. Remember to check the description below for a link to some amazing deals, including those fantastic darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty and other great products we recommend.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.